Is being an electrician in Palestine well paid? On average, an electrician in Palestine earns around 2,200 US dollars a year. That is average annual gross salary before tax, but tax takes a small share and leaves $2,000 after tax. That brings home roughly $167 a month in take-home pay. While those numbers are countrywide, electrician salary in Palestine goes up in major urban areas. For example, Gaza City pays $2,400 after tax, which is noticeably more than smaller towns, but higher expenses in the city often cancel out that extra cash. Entry-level pay starts well below that city figure because you're still learning, but wages rise quickly during your first years before they level off. On top of that, having a university degree creates a real gap in how much does an electrician make in Palestine, since higher qualifications are required if you want to become an electrical engineer or a project manager. Finally, picking specialized skills like high-voltage systems helps your electrician income grow even further because companies pay more for complex work.